If you want to consider who a mistrial is a win for, it is certainly not a win for the prosecution. In this situation with Bill Cosby, what a mistrial means is he has not been convicted nor has he been acquitted. So basically, he's going to be tried again. Actually, there are almost 60 women who accused Bill Cosby of sexually assaulting them. In this motion, the prosecution was looking to introduce the evidence of 13 victims. The jury might consider convicting him for these past acts, but that is not what Bill Cosby is on trial for. Bill Cosby was on trial for what he did to Andrea Constand. And so you want to make sure that the jury is really only considering what he did to Andrea. They want to see past acts, and that is relevant. But when is it too prejudicial? When does it become too biased to Bill Cosby? When is it too much of other stories that are not supposed to be voted on to be considered by that jury?
Cosby, anything to say? Anything to say today, sir?
I think this case ended up in a mistrial for several reasons. And I think the defense was solid, but I'm going to tell you that this prosecution team was amazing. Some of the facts, they were kind of hard to ignore. The one that really bothered me the most was after this incident happened, after this alleged sexual misconduct, Andrea Constand continued to speak with Bill Cosby. 72 times of contact between Andrea Constand and Bill Cosby. Maybe there were messages left, maybe they were just calls, but 72 times in a very short period of time. So, if someone sexually assaults you, why are you still talking to them?
The comedian also confirmed to the judge that it was also his wish that no other witnesses be called to the stand. His lawyers even made a motion for acquittal because the victim told the police that the alleged assault occurred on 2 different dates.
Now, I do not blame her, so let me be very clear here. I am not blaming this victim in any way. But I can see how a jury would say, he made 2 passes at you, you knew he liked you, you viewed him as a mentor and a friend, so if maybe someone's doing this, maybe you don't go back. And I can understand the jury wondering about this.
Sir! Officer!
A lot of people are talking about this 6-minute defense and how perhaps that wasn't the right thing to do. This is not a 6-minute defense. Every single cross-examination of every single prosecution witness was intense, was direct, was well-researched, was at the highest degree. They called one witness, but this case was fought from the minute that jury took the box. And look what happened. We had a mistrial. He did not get convicted. We want to believe that Bill Cosby is Dr. Huxtable. We don't want to believe that he was capable of these allegations. We don't want to believe it, and juries don't want to believe it. I believe that the prosecution made out each element of each count for which Cosby was charged. A mistrial is better for the defense than the prosecution. It is not as good as an acquittal, but it is certainly not a conviction.